how to fix unable to send message on Messenger problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix unable to send message on Messenger problem. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the step 1. That is to check your internet connection. So always make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Or you can try switching between Wi-Fi or mobile data test, or you can even turn airplane mode on and off. So here, because unstable connection are the most common reasons for message failure. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to restart Messenger and device. So here, close the Messenger app completely, and after that you can simply restart your phone. And here, once you do that, you can simply open the Messenger and try sending again. And with that, moving forward to the step number 3, that is to clear the Messenger cache. So here you can simply long press on the Messenger app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu just tap on app info. And now here, once you're inside the app settings, then simply tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And once you do that, it will fix the glitches without deleting your messages. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to update the messenger. So here, simply open the Play Store, and now here, once you're inside the Play Store, simply search for the Messenger app. And here, if you find any update button, then simply tap on update to update it to the latest version, because outdated apps can often cause the sending errors. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to disable VPN. So here, if you have turned on any VPN on your phone, then simply turn it off, because with VPN on, there will be network restriction which can prevent messages from sending. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to reinstall the messenger. So the last resort as a solution for you is you can simply uninstall the messenger app, and after that you can simply reinstall it again from the Play Store, and after that you can simply log in and test the sending messages. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.